Guys, assalamu alaikum, hello, hi, and welcome to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. And today I'm going to share a tomato chutney recipe. Yes, that's the reason why I'm sharing these tomatoes pictures. This is a recipe that I have learned from my grandparents, my grandmothers. I really miss them, so I thought let me share their recipe with you all today. These grandparents of mine are very close to my heart. They are not here with me. They are up in the sky looking down at me and sending me lots of blessings. I believe that's why I'm able to share the recipes with you all, and happily getting love from you all is another blessing for me. So thank you guys for always being there, and let me share the recipe with you all. To start ahead with, we need fresh tomatoes. Here I'm using nice fresh red tomatoes. I have washed already with vinegar water. Every time when I bring in my vegetables, I first thing do is to wash them thoroughly with the vinegar water. I soak them and then wash them. So that's what I do. I hope you follow the same. Okay, once you wash them, you just need to slit the tomatoes as it's been shown in the video, so that it's easier for you to peel the tomatoes after they are boiled. So once you slit them, you just add them to a nice pot of water along with little bit of salt and bring it to a nice boiling temperature, and boil for about 10 to 15 minutes until the skin peels off. Once it's boiled well, you just set this aside, close the lid and let this steam for about 10 minutes in that same pot itself. After 10 minutes, just remove the tomatoes from that water and let it cool down, so that it will be very hot. You will not be able to hold it. So let it cool down a bit, let it warm it up, and then you can peel the skin. Once you peel off the skin, it will be very easy for you to peel them off. And here the flavor of the tomato also changes equally from the raw tomato to the cooked tomato. When you see, the flavor will be completely changed. So once you peel this, you just need to add them to the blender. Add this to the blender and blend it into a fine puree. Take a kadai or a pan. You can add around 2 tablespoons of oil to it, and for tempering I'm using curry leaves, mustard seed, black peppercorns, cumin seeds, fenugreek seed and hing. Here you also need to add dry red chili. I forgot to add. You can add it right now itself, and then saute this for about 30 seconds, and then add finely chopped onion and garlic cloves. I have given the ingredients list in the description box. Please have a look at it. Now once you have sauteed all this together, we'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and once again saute well, and then we will add the puree to it, the tomato puree. Mix this tomato puree well and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes in a medium flame, because it will start bubbling out. And then you need to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix all these ingredients well together again, and to the same blender just add about 1 glass of water and add that water to this mixture and cook in a very medium to low flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you can add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and salt as per taste. Mix all these ingredients well together and let this cook for another 15 minutes in a medium flame. And after 15 minutes, you can add coriander leaves and green chilies to it. Also, half lemon juice you need to squeeze into it. It will give a different kind of a tangy flavor to your tomato chutney. So now mix all this together, and this needs to cook in a medium flame for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your tomato chutney is ready to be served with rice or idli or dosa or even chapatis and parathas. This can also be stored in the refrigerator for minimum of 15 to 20 days. You need to just add a teaspoon of vinegar to this and store it in an airtight container and use it up to 15 to 20 days. So during this lockdown, I'm sure this recipe is going to be a big help for you all. So do give this a try and share your experience in the description box below. Until then, you take care. We'll see you soon with another recipe. Allah Hafiz.